Yeah, because I feel RERA is something which, if followed by developers,
Yes, the dream eventually turns into reality, but वो dream पे भरोसा करने वाले जो investors हैं, those are also there, and the developers are making.
Plan came up with redefining luxury, but some of their projects are delayed. So what?
वेलकम टू अनफिल्टर्ड आइकन्स, जहां हम करते हैं कैमरा के सामने कैमरा के पीछे की बातें। रियल एस्टेट isn't about buying property. It's about building dreams, decisions, and stories that people build brick by brick. So, in today's episode, we have Guneet Kohli, who is a known face in Gurugram's real estate market. She will be helping us and guiding us what are the most promising projects that real estate has a store in for us. Hello, ma'am. It's truly an honor to host you on today's episode. Welcome to Unfiltered Icons. When it comes to real estate, with you being experienced for 15 years, nobody else came to my mind. So I would like you to introduce to my audience.
Thank you so much, Janvi, for having me here. It is an honor to be here on your platform. So yes, when I say real estate, yeah, we've been part of the real estate industry for more than 15 years now. So we work under the brand name 3D Estate and Funds. So we're working with all major developers here in Gurgaon. Our main markets that we are catering to are Delhi and Gurgaon. We do have trade associations globally as well. So we were done work in Dubai, London, etc. So, but primarily, yes, Gurgaon is the market that we are focused on. So Gurgaon, over the last 15 years, we've seen it grow in front of our own eyes when we talk about the Golf Course Road. That is the buzz of the, I think, India today was not like this 15 years ago. It was a story which was being sold primarily by DLF, and it is being delivered. And now we see it where it is today. All the global brands, all the major MNCs want to have their headquarters on Golf Course Road. So that is what Gurgaon has become today. So this is a growth story where we've also grown with the company as well as how the city has grown. So we've been part of this growth story of Gurgaon.
Okay, ma'am. So, according to you, who is the kingmaker in real estate today? DLF, M3M, or Elan?
I think the answer without thinking, I would say, is DLF. DLF ने ही गुड़गांव को बनाया है. From what we see it today was dreamt of and planned by DLF 15, 20 years ago. And the Golf Course Road to getting a rapid metro in Gurgaon, investing in the infrastructure, the security, etc., was all done by DLF. So it is, in my view, the undisputed king of real estate in Gurgaon.
Okay. So, I would like to ask you, ma'am, this that after COVID, I have seen a lot of pre launches with different brands like Godrej, Elan, DLF, a lot, a lot more launches, I would say. So, what is your take on that?
See, I think the pre-launches by these developers, one, there was a lot of pent-up demand after COVID, where there were no new launches during that period of 2013 to 2018, 19. I would say very limited new launches of residential projects had come up. तो कोविड के बाद एक बहुत ज़्यादा पेंट अप डिमांड थी, एंड आई वुड से इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी कि अगर आप प्री लॉन्च पे इन्वेस्ट करो, क्योंकि ये वो फर्स्ट रेट होता है जो बिल्डर निकालता है, and you will get the cheapest product at that point in time from the builder. When the project is getting sold out, obviously anywhere you look to buy in resale from that day onwards would be at a rate जो pre-launch का rate था उससे ऊपर ही आपको मिलेगा. So here I would like to share the success story of DLF Arbor, which was launched by DLF a couple of years ago. So it was sold out in I think 2 days record time. तो जो रेट पे डीएलएफ ने निकाला था, आज उस रेट से जो भी इन्वेस्टर्स थे सबको प्रीमियम मिल रहा है. सो वहाँ पे लोग 2.5 से 3 करोड़ रुपए के प्रीमियम पे बैठे हुए हैं. दे आर कैशिंग आउट ऑन दैट प्रीमियम एज ऑन डे टुडे. सो अगेन आई वुड से इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर आप प्री लॉन्च में सही उससे खरीदना चाहते हैं. सो आई वुड नॉट एडवाइज स्पेक्यूलेटिंग, बट येस, फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, प्री लॉन्च अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर ग्रेट टू एंटर द मार्केट.
So, in your opinion, ma'am, what do you suggest the end user or the investor should explore the reselling options or should directly buy it from the builder?
नहीं, देखिए इसमें जानवी 2 चीज़ें आती हैं कि रीसेल में अगर आप कोई चीज़ ले रहे हो, इफ़ यू आर स्टक ऑन कि आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट सिलेक्ट कर लिया कि मेरे को तो आज सिर्फ़ फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगेन आई गेट DLF आर्बर इन द पिक्चर कि मेरे को सिर्फ DLF आर्बर में रहना है ऑन गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड. इफ आई वांट टू स्टे समवेयर आई वांट टू स्टे इन आर्बर. अब आर्बर was sold out in 2 days time, so there is no direct booking which is available from the builder. So in case I want to stay there, I'm fixated about that, तो फिर मेरे को resale में ही कोई unit लेना पड़ेगा. So there is nothing wrong in taking a unit in resale. So what I'm saying by the pre-launch is कि directly from the developer, जब हम developer से चीज़ लेते हैं, so yes, we are getting the best if we are taking in pre-launch. एक तो हमें first price मिलता है, so we are getting the initial price जिस उस पे वो चीज़ बिकी है. Then we are getting a payment plan from the developer. कि यूजुअली हम एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में पैसे दे सकते हैं. वी कैन प्लान आवर फाइनेंसेस. हमारे को सारी पेमेंट आज रेडी नहीं चाहिए. रीसेल में जब भी हम लेते हैं सो इट इज़ मोर ऑफ डिपेंडिंग ऑन जितने भी पैसा कोई इन्वेस्टर या जो जिसने पहले खरीदा था वो दे चुके हैं. वी विल हैव टू पुट दैट अप फ्रंट एज वेल एज जो प्रीमियम चल रहा है आज की डेट में वो भी हमें आज ही डालना पड़ेगा. देन वी कैन एक्वायर द प्रॉपर्टी. और जो बाकी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स है देन दैट विल बी पेड इन द फैशन ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन लिंक पेमेंट प्लान. So that is the advantage of taking it from the developer. So I hope it answers your question.
Yeah, definitely. Ma'am, I've also seen Gurgaon's biggest developers, they face struggles with the RERA compliance. So what is your take on that?
See, Janvi, I don't think after this RERA has come into the picture, the most developers, the compliance issues are only coming out because of the NGT bans that are imposed specifically in Delhi NCR market. तो NGT bans because of the environmental thing जो हम देखते हैं from all the way from October to February जो where our air quality index goes for a toss and the government imposes this ban. तो तब क्या होता है कि the developers hands are tied. They cannot go against the NGT ban and do the construction activity. तो पर ये लॉस जो ना 3 महीने का नहीं होता. कहीं बार ये स्ट्रेचेस टू 4 to 5 months just because कि लेबर जो है वो वापस चली जाती है अपने विलेजेस में because they can't sustain themselves here. They are mostly daily wage workers जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स से आपको मिलते हैं. तो वो लोग अपने गाँव चले जाते हैं. उसके बाद जैसे ही वो बैन ख़त्म होता है it becomes very difficult to have them on board कि आपने आज वो बैन हटा है तो हम the laborers are here and they will start your work on site that very day. उसके बाद हमारे पास जो है इंडिया में त्योहार आ जाते हैं कि अभी आपने रिसेंटली देखा हमने ईद मनाई है तो वहाँ पे भी लोग घर चले जाएंगे. एंड हमेशा वही होता है कि फॉर दिस क्लास ऑफ लेबर्स वो आपको कह के जाएंगे कि हफ्ते की छुट्टी है वो 15-20 दिन गायब हो जाते हैं. हाँ, सो दिस इज़ द मेन रीज़न जो NGT का एनवायरमेंटल बैन लगता है उस वजह से डिलेज हो जाते हैं. तो उस वजह से थोड़ा सा उसमें पोजेशंस में डिले आता है. But otherwise, I think all developers are adhering to the RERA norms now. Haryana RERA is very rigid. It is a very structured framework. So people are following that, be it layouts और फिर customers से पूरी clearances वगैरह लेकर अगर कुछ भी revisions होते हैं. So developers are following all protocols and there are no hassles.
Yeah, because I feel RERA is something which if followed by developers, कहीं ना कहीं वो बहुत ही benefit भी करता है ओवरऑल पूरी इंडस्ट्री को भी. सो नॉर्म्स प्रोटेक्टेड होते हैं, रेगुलेशंस बहुत ही रेगुलेटेड वे में फॉलो होती हैं. तो रेरा इज समथिंग विच शुड बी फॉलो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. इट इज़ अ वेरी पॉजिटिव स्टेप फॉर द इंडस्ट्री एंड इट हैज़ बीन वेलकम्ड बाय ऑल द डेवलपर्स एज वेल एज इन्वेस्टर्स. सबके राइट्स जो हैं एंड सबके इंटरेस्ट जो हैं इससे प्रोटेक्ट होते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी वेलकम मेजर बाय द इंडस्ट्री.
Yes. I have seen this name Krisumi also that is popping up since 4-5 years now. Right. It's in the market. It's being popular among masses now. So what do you think? Are Smart World and Krisumi delivering premium homes or is it just a selling hype?
See, Smart World and Krisumi are very new names in the industry. ये 3-4 साल पहले ही आए थे and they had launched their first projects. Smart World का first project was Smart World Orchard on Golf Course Extension Road. And then they had come up with Smart World Gems in Sector 89. Similarly, Krisumi has had a project on Dwarka Expressway near the Cloverleaf flyover. So now we are seeing the first deliveries for both Smart World and Krisumi coming into the picture. The investors or people who had invested with both the companies have made a lot of money. Krisumi also, I remember, was sold at about 6,000-7,000 rupees a square foot when it was launched. Today in resale, we see the prices have gone up to about 15,000-16,000 rupees a square foot. Even Smart World for that matter, जो Orchard वाला project था वो आई थिंक 10-11 हज़ार रुपये पर स्क्वायर फुट पे बिका था, आज उसी की रीसेल वैल्यू जो है 17-18 हज़ार रुपये पे है। पोजेशन has been started, the company has started giving possessions for the apartments. So as on date, people are very happy with whatever was promised is being delivered. Krisumi is again a collaboration between Krishna Motors and corporation. So उनका जो है, I think Japanese companies में लोगों का वही होता है कि whatever they promise they deliver. It is more about keeping their word. For them, it is most important. So yes, people have made good money with both these companies.
Yeah, because I've also heard this with Krisumi that they have this vision that they want to create that basically that area of land, Sector 36, I would say, that they want to convert that into Dubai city in upcoming 10 years. So
Absolutely. I think they will go ahead with the vision. Global City is also coming opposite that, which is being done by HSIDC. So there is a lot of development which has to happen in that part of Gurgaon. It is very well connected now. पहले हम द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे सुनते थे, but आज वो ready हो गया है, बन गया है. We are all using it every day, which has made travel to Delhi as well as to the airport very convenient. And it is also where Krisumi is located. It is very well located. Cloverleaf flyover के बिल्कुल साथ में है. So when we talk about SPR या NH8 से connectivity, that is also established. So location wise, yes, it is very strategically located. Or as said in the industry, yes, they are delivering what they promised. The quality is as per what was promised to the investors. So yes, I'm sure they will deliver according to their vision and create a parallel city as Dubai in India.
as we have conversated about a lot of brands till now, I would also like to take your insights on Godrej. So Godrej is also a trusted name in a market.
That's right.
Yeah. So what is your take on the Godrej brand and how is it delivering it to the customers out there, their investors out there? Is it like satisfying in terms of what they have also promised to their investors?
See, Janvi, यहाँ पे ना Godrej has had it is obviously one of the very big trusted brands in India as a brand. In real estate, their journey in North India, it was primarily a company which was working in Bombay. So when they entered North India earlier, they were in the mid segment or the lower mid segment projects, जो हमने उनकी पहली deliveries देखी हैं. So at that point in time, their model of working was different. They were working on collaborations where they used to do land collaborations with the landowner, etc. But abhi, in the last couple of years, their model of working in North India has completely transformed. And that is what I would attribute their today's success to this model. यहाँ पर 100% land ownership in most cases is again done by Godrej. They acquired the entire land. उसके बाद जो है the project designing etc. They have understood the North India market more now. कि what do the consumers here want? They are launching projects in that with that specifications and the layouts which are being required. We've seen very successful launches by Godrej both in Gurgaon as well as Noida. The delivery in Noida has been very nice. So Godrej Zenith was a huge success which was launched I think last March. I'm talking about March 2024. And after that, Godrej has come up with 3-4 launches in Gurgaon which have done pretty well. We've seen Aristocrat, we've seen Vriksha. On near Golf Course Road, we've seen Godrej Miraya. And now the latest launch has been Godrej Astra. So the projects are designed very well, keeping in mind the audience or the final end users. The pricing points are very good. So I see no challenge, and I'm sure Godrej will deliver on what has been promised again.
Okay, that's great. Signature Housing is known for affordable housing. So is it compromising on quality, ma'am?
नहीं, not at all. Signature Global ने जो भी deliveries करी हैं, yes, it was primarily into this दीन दयाल आवास योजना. पर जो deliveries पहले भी सोना में करी हैं, जो 5-6 हज़ार रुपए स्क्वायर फुट पे अपार्टमेंट्स उन्होंने बेचे थे फ्लोर्स, वो आज की डेट में 1.25 से 1.5 करोड़ के बीच में ट्रेड हो रहे हैं. And the quality, when you go and see, recently I just visited Signature Dakshin Vistas की site, जो सोना के टोल पे ये जो elevated corridor बना है, उससे नीचे उतरते ही आ जाती है. And that is again a project which is a Deen Dayal Awas Yojana. वहाँ पे I think 2 से सवा 2 करोड़ के बीच में signature is selling 180 yard floors. But when you go and see the sample apartment, मैं खुद भी 2 मिनट के लिए surprise हो गई थी कि the kind of specifications that they are giving, the kind of overall amenities जो planning उन्होंने करके दी है, it is mind blowing. So it is next level. So they are not compromising on quality at all in any aspect.
That's great. I mean, if they are affordable also for their investors, they are promising affordability with quality.
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. Elan came up with redefining luxury, but some of their projects are delayed. So, what are your insights on that, ma'am?
जानवी, ईलान का जो रेसिडेंशियल लॉन्च है, द फर्स्ट रेसिडेंशियल लॉन्च वाज द प्रेसिडेंशियल विच इज़ ऑन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे इन सेक्टर 106. एंड अभी हमने जो उनके लेटेस्ट लॉन्च देखा है, द एम्परर, विच इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द सेम प्रोजेक्ट. इट्स नाउ अ 50 acre टाउनशिप दैट दे आर डेवलपिंग. उससे पहले ईलान ने सिर्फ कमर्शियल डिलीवरीज करी हैं. वी सी ईलान एपिक, ईलान मिरेकल, एंड जो और भी 2-3 उनके कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, बट दे हैव बीन वेरी गुड डिलीवरीज एंड दे हैव बीन ऑन टाइम. और आज की डेट में भी जो भी उनकी डेवलपमेंट्स चल रही हैं, दे आर ऑल ऑन टाइम. In terms of the residential project that they are planning with the presidential and the emperor, it is, I think, a project which does not exist on Dwarka Expressway. They would be redefining the luxury actually in terms of the delivery that they would be giving on Dwarka Expressway. वहाँ पर ये ऐसा project आज की डेट में अभी तक exist नहीं करता है. And when we see the model of the club, they've just recently launched the club model at their gallery, and the designing, the brands that they have incorporated into the whole development, I'm sure it is going to be a great delivery and worth living, a address to have on Dwarka Expressway.
So, what I understood from your answer is that because they are redefining luxury, that is the reason they are just delaying the project.
No, it is not delayed at all. I think that is a misconception in the market. They are running as per time. एंड एज पर द रेरा गाइडलाइंस जो उनकी टाइमलाइन है उसी पे वो रन कर रहे हैं. दे विल गिव द फर्स्ट फेज डिलीवरी इन टाइम एज प्रॉमिस्ड. और जो अभी भी जो लेटेस्ट लॉन्च है एम्परर, इट हैज़ हैड अ स्टुपेंडस रिस्पॉन्स इन द मार्केट. सो देयर इज नो डिले. आई डोंट नो, देयर इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन आई थिंक विच इज देयर इन द मार्केट.
Okay. Ma'am, with massive advertising spends, these big brands like M3M, Elan, DLF, are they selling homes or are they selling dreams? What will you say?
See, Janvi, I would say a home is a dream, I think, for most of us. For every, I think, person who's born in India, आपका हमेशा एक वो सपना होता है कि ये मेरा सपने का घर है और ये मुझे खरीदना है. तो वो जो सपना है, it is obviously sold as a dream by every developer, कि this is your dream house. It is a story which is sold, and they are selling this story which the Indian masses are now accepting it and putting their money, putting their hard-earned money into this to realize their dream. And M3M has come up with very successful deliveries, which we see. The Golf Estate is a project, it's a marquee project on Golf Course Extension Road. उनकी बाकी भी जो deliveries आई हैं have been very nice. So this, yes, the dream eventually turns into reality. But वो dream पे भरोसा करने वाले जो investors हैं, those are also there, and the developers are making sure that they will deliver what they promise. So yes,
That's really beautifully explained by you, ma'am, I would say, because I have seen this thought process of people that is changed. Before COVID, aesthetics, or I would say homes, used to not matter that much. But after COVID, I have seen people changing their thought process. I would say investors here, that okay, everyone wants to live the best.
Absolutely, absolutely. वो थोड़ा सा mindset भी change हुआ है. Then everybody is giving a lot of importance to the lifestyle that you're living, and the kind of upbringing you want to give to your children, the gentry you want to stay with. जो आपको ये amenities मिलती हैं clubs में, now it is no longer regarded as luxury कि मेरे club उसमें club house में tennis court है, swimming pool है, restaurant है. Now it is taken as a basic necessity. जो सारी नई launches आ रही हैं और जो आज अपना करियर शुरू कर रहा है कोई भी कंपनी में, दैट पर्सन एस्पायर्स कि वो भी अपनी फैमिली को एक ऐसा लाइफस्टाइल दे सके. एंड दैट इज व्हाई दीज ड्रीम्स आर देयर. एंड नाउ 3 to 4 years hence down the line, we will see all the launches which have been done will come into reality and people will live in their dream house.
Yeah, exactly. COVID for this major area, I would say, has been in a positive impact where people have changed their mindset.
That's right. For the real estate industry, Pan India, yes, COVID was,
The game changer.
yes, it was.
Okay, ma'am, what do you think? Has DLF lost its dominance in Gurgaon to aggressive players like M3M and Elan?
No, not at all. DLF is the undisputed king of real estate in Gurgaon. आज की डेट में भी DLF का कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च होता है, people, my clients will themselves call me up and tell me कि गुनीत DLF का लेटेस्ट लॉन्च आ रहा है, उसका स्पेसिफिकेशंस बताओ, उसकी डिटेल्स बताओ. So that is the value and that is the power that DLF has in the brand. And it is majorly because जो DLF ने आज तक डिलीवर किया है, they have always under promised and over delivered. So people have, there is no question. People don't think twice before writing a check for DLF. बाकी developers के लिए अभी भी लोग बड़े सारे questions पूछेंगे. They will like to visit the site. I have investors sitting in different parts of the world वो बस DLF के नाम से चेक बनाकर भेज देते हैं कि DLF की प्रॉपर्टी है तो वी आर श्योर वो एक सिक्का बंद चीज़ है एंड वी आर रेस्ट अश्योर्ड कि वो अच्छी चीज़ बनाकर देंगे that will get leased out easily. DLF always rewards its investors. They take care कि जब वो project deliver भी कर देते हैं आज की डेट में DLF has their teams which help you, assist you in leasing as well as resale. अगर आपका कभी भी plan बनता है कि मैंने उसको बेचना है, they are there to support you in that as well. So DLF is right on the top there.
Okay. It was great conversating with you on real estate and on the various brands, investors, and a lot of things. You have actually put a lot of things in my vision too, and I hope कि मेरी audience को भी वहाँ पे बाहर जितने भी doubts होंगे, जितने भी rumors I would say इस market में होते हैं, controversies होती हैं, आपके answers के through उन्हें भी काफ़ी next level insights मिली होंगी और help हुआ होगा. So I would like to now shift to our next segment, which is a rapid fire round. And I will ask you some tricky questions, maybe, to
Okay.
get
Let's see.
something out of you.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. So the first question that I would like to ask you is Gurugram versus Noida, better investment bet?
Gurugram.
Okay. One Delhi NCR area that's overrated in pricing.
I think it would be South Delhi.
Okay. Upcoming location in NCR, no one's talking about yet.
That I would feel is, I think Dwarka Expressway still has a lot of juice left in it. So there are a lot of upcoming projects there. So Dwarka Expressway.
Okay. Builder you trust the most in this region?
DLF.
Okay. If you had 2 CR or 10 CR to invest today in NCR, where would you put it?
For 2 CR, I would say I would go with Signature Global Dakshin Vista. It is a phenomenal investment. For a 10 CR rupee investment, I would again choose DLF Privana. They are coming up with a new launch in Sector 76, 77. So that is what I would trust and go ahead with.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for spilling the beans. And we loved the conversation. And I hope we would continue with such more conversations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Janvi, for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching this episode till the very end. I hope you liked it. मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं हर इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट के साथ जुड़ूँ और आपको इनसाइट्स दे सकूँ. अब जल्दी से मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि नेक्स्ट इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट आप कौन सा चाहते हो. ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.